So great news, the IRS just announced a new web tool to help taxpayers get their stimulus check as fast as possible. This tool is specifically for people who usually don't file a tax return, but who want to get their payment as soon as possible from the IRS. So again, this is for people who are taxpayers and who don't need to file a tax return. This probably means that they are lower income Americans. This is going to be a very fast video, but make sure to watch all of it. I'll go through the steps needed to give the IRS your information and for them to be able to pay you. So this new tool is available only at irs.gov. So the first thing you'll want to do is go to irs.gov, and on the home screen, the very first button should be non-filers, enter payment info here, and you'll want to click on that. I won't really go through all this stuff, but make sure you look through it, and after you do, you can click on this button right here. This will take you to another page, and it's just gonna be like, hey, don't continue here if any of these applies to you. So now I'm just gonna click on get started. From there, it takes me to this create an account screen where I'm gonna enter all the stuff and create an account. So I'm just gonna create a fake one for now, just so I can show you guys what the next screen looks like. All right, now that I have all this fake information created, I'm gonna click create an account, and it's gonna have this account confirmation page, and I'll click continue. And now it's gonna have me enter in my payment information. So you guys can fill this out yourself. Basically, they're going to be asking you for your filing status, either single or married, and then your personal information, as well as your dependents and your banking information. This is the most important part because this is how they're going to be paying you your economic stimulus check ASAP. Now, once you get all that stuff entered in, click continue to step 2. And here they're gonna have you enter a bit more information. This is basically your last year's adjusted gross income. Or if you did file your tax last year, you might have a signature pin, so you can enter that in as well. Then they'll have you enter all this as your electronic signature, and from there on you can click the continue to e-file button. Now obviously this is a fake email, so I'm not going to be able to get through the step, but it's a very easy process, and the IRS says that it only takes a few minutes to do. So if you are eligible to use this tool, it's going to be able to help you get your money quite a bit faster. I went through this in my other video, but if you're making under $12,200 per year and the IRS does not have your direct deposit information, you should be getting a paper check mailed to you around April 24th or early May. So assuming that you log into this website and enter your information today or tomorrow, that should get you your money quite a bit faster. Now just note, this new portal is different than the Get My Payment portal that the IRS will be setting up in late April. That tool is specifically for people that do file a tax return, so people who make a bit more money, but the IRS doesn't have their direct deposit information. The Get My Payment portal also lets people check in on the status of their stimulus check. So just a recap of who should be able to use this tool. If you're a single filer making under $12,200 in 2019, or a married couple making under $24,400 in 2019, and you did not file your taxes in 2018 or 2019 because you don't have to, then this is the perfect tool for you. And lastly, this tool is also for Social Security, SSDI, or Railroad Retirement beneficiaries with qualifying dependents. If you have children under the age of 17 who you listed as a dependent on your tax return, this tool will help you get that $500 payment per child. So guys, if you qualify, this is the best tool for you. If you don't meet these requirements, make sure to check out my other YouTube where I go through the whole stimulus check timeline, as well as how to expedite getting your check. I'll link it below. Thanks so much for watching, and make sure to share this with a friend who might qualify for this online portal. And if you found the video helpful, make sure to leave a like and also click that subscribe button if you want to see more videos just like this. I really hope that I could provide you some value, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.